1, 2. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another episode doing software development tonight. Building PHP systems using HTML, SQL, CSS, and JavaScript, of course. Our favorite. Nearing the end of development on this project, I suppose. We are about to crash right into the user interface work. So let's get right into it, you guys. Wonder how tonight's gonna go. Let's turn the music down just a little bit so I can hear myself. Okay. Well, let's pull up our little Notion here. Okay. What you say? Okay. Implement updates for ebooks. Okay, that's where we are right now. So, all right, basically what we have done is in the configuration pane, we have managed to make it so you can upload ebooks. Now, I think when I left off, it has this glitch where it's uploading 3 at a time. So then it's got to be the first thing we fix. Just going to take a look at the database here. I wonder, is it entering in 3 entries to the database as well every time? I don't know. It is. So let's see if Cursor hasn't uninstalled itself today yet. Okay, let's see. We are in pain. There's the pane. Here's the JavaScript. Also, here's upload ebook. Okay, is it possible it's in actually this? I can spot it in the upload ebook. So after reviewing the upload ebook file, doesn't look like it's like explicitly trying to upload it 3 times. Looks like maybe this file is getting called 3 times. All right, I'm gonna prompt this. Let me pause the video, wait for this to think, and we'll be right back. What is up, you guys? I'm back. Okay, so what it said is that we need to watch out that basically this initialize all should only call initialize ebook upload forms once. So They're saying it's in the DOM. Um, so let's just look for initialize all. Let me bring you over to cursor. Do you see one here? Do you see another one here? So I only see it, so here's the definition of the function, and then here is the DOM, okay? Is the DOM defined more than once? Let's see. DOM content loaded. Let's see. Here's another one. And this one is initializing the upload form again. Okay, so is doing it, well, hang on. Let's actually, here's some sections of my JavaScript. Can I actually combine them in all one definition, or will that affect functionality in a bad way? Let's see. Okay, here's another one. Here's another one. I wonder if this will fix it. Okay, here we go. This must be why it's happening, right? I wonder why the AI can't just see it. It's like I could sit here all day asking it about this in Claude, and it would just never... Okay. Yeah, but when is initialize called? You know, that's what I want to know. I guess when it's loaded, right? So... Wait, I'm kind of confused. Okay, so there it calls the initialize all. Hang on. No response, and also should initialize all be in there. Let's see if we just remove that. Here's the initialize ebook upload forms, the load ebooks. Yep. Didn't lose anything there. Update storage stats. Got that here. Set interval. That's there too. So not losing anything there. And then what about this gigantic function? Okay, so it's saying you can define them all and then just call initialize all with the event listener. Okay, that's fine. That's what I'll do. Okay, and then what about this gigantic? Okay, and what about this gigantic block? Okay, here's the initialize all call. We'll put this near the top. Okay, simply copy the code in there. Okay. Okay. Let's see how this works. Okay, and then what about all this? Well, this is where it's getting repeated. Oh, wait, hang on. Yeah. Hang on. This is the beginning. Here's the initialize. Oh, okay. So it's just a note there. Okay, I was just confused for a second. Let's try this. Let's update the JavaScript here. I wonder how horribly we just screwed up our website. Did we make it better? Oh, I just closed out Notion. Let's pull that back up. We want. Okay. Oh, it loaded. It just took forever. Okay. Let's just test the functionality. Okay. Okay. So far so good. Fingers crossed. Okay. 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 I'll just say okay after everything. Okay. uh. Okay. Okay. All right, and then. Okay. Everything's working so far. I like this. Okay. Now let's try upload. Hang on. Before we do that, let's just delete all these. Okay. By the way, would be really nice if both the database and the pathing were empty, right? So let's just see if that works. So, oh, amazing. Okay, so the pathing is working, and then the just the database entries, they should be the table should be clear. Hopefully. Okay. Okay, cool. And then all right, let's just update or upload an ebook. Oh. Says it uploaded, but it went up 3 times. Okay. Still same behavior. Oh, did we clear our cache and cookies? No, we didn't. Uh-oh. Actually, I don't know if I did clear my cache and cookies. I don't know. Okay, hang on. Okay. Okay, now it's going in twice. Okay. Okay, what about the PDF here? Okay, now it's going in twice. Interesting. Okay, is it in? Oh, it might be in the gigantic function that we put in there. Hang on, let's see. This is it right here. This is all banner stuff. um, interesting. It's almost like initialize all is being called more than once. Um, only 2 instances. Hang on. Here it gets defined. Oh wait, hang on. Oh, there it is right here. It's because it's in the function. It's running this function right here. What am I doing? Wait, I don't need this initialize all, do I? Wait. Oh, okay, yeah. Well, let's just try removing the initialize all. I wonder what that's gonna do. Sometimes I guess it's just faster to code it yourself, I think. Especially if this works as the case. um, it will be nice when AI is faster no matter what. But I'm not quite there yet. This does take an hour and a half to load. I wonder why. Like, I know my internet connection is good. Is it just cause it's so massive, you know? Okay, hang on, let's delete. Okay, that fixed it. Everything works fine. Did not need the initialize all feature. Okay, and then all this is still working, right? So cool. Okay. Okay. And so now you can upload and you can edit. And then we're going to have to validate the input, I suppose. But now you can actually... I'm just thinking, Well, now that that's done, we do need to give the users access to the ebooks, right? So if you go to Media Hub, should I put the ebooks here? No, right? Maybe put the ebooks. What I'm thinking about doing is making it so that if the user is paid, then the ebooks tab appears here. Right? That's one solution. Another way to do it would be to, I suppose, put the ebooks in here in the Media Hub somehow. I'm thinking just slide on in an ebooks tab right after leaderboards, right before configuration pane. So this is going to be user nav here. And then we're just going to want href equals ebooks.php, of course. PHP if user paid equals 1. Okay. And then we do need to make a session variable. It wants to make a separate query for paid. No. Select role and paid from users. Hello, and we are back, guys. We may have actually done this okay. If they've paid, they can see the ebook page. Now we just need an ebook page. Let's see. ebooks.php. And then I think we have a template here. And then let's see, ebooks. All right. Okay, and then here. And then we just want to, yeah. If they're not paid, then kick them out. And then this is the basic. So okay, here this page. Okay, my bad. And then same CS class as always. Black background, white font, opposite when hovering. Look, the left and right are centered. The two elements. Button on right, but on left is a selector that lets the user choose between all available ebooks. If it's rather large selection, let it wrap so that we can see entire thing on screen. Make sure UI looks nice for the selector to match the larger height of this button than normal, so it makes sense to the user and take up more space than usual. Add padding and all that, please. Significant amount of border radius to both elements. Also, the display of elements in the drop down when choosing on selector must have fantastic UI, modern, nice. And also, what else? You may be able to reference using the file I referenced here. Make sure centered and justified, middle, horizontally, and vertically. Okay, and then let's reference the get ebooks. And then, oh, and I forgot to. Also, we do not want users to download the ebooks. When they click on the button, what it does is come up with a modal of the currently selected ebook they can read, depending. That is also centered and justified. Make sure they can scroll and it stays centered through the whole book. Also, they can click to close the modal or like the book. Okay. And then here's the here's the structure. Here's structure of both tables, by the way, for both file types. You know the pathing from the file I referenced. You should be good to go. This is simple. Okay. Let's remind Claude that this is very easy. I'm gonna turn up the music just a little bit. Okay. Just casually adding, mere, what is that? 250 lines of code, something like that. You also need to create 2 new PHP files. Oh, interesting. Didn't know that. I thought I referenced the get ebook. So it's making a new static one, probably because it has different variables. Get ebook content.php. And then here's toggle like.php. Toggle like.php. Okay. Let's get this going. Bum, bum, bum. Oh wait, we have issues. Get ebook content. Okay. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, and this is why is it that some of the first letters are stripped on all this? That's odd. Let's see. Let's see if we can guess what everything's supposed to be. These are all variable definitions, so this seems pretty straightforward. Okay. Okay. What about that? Whoa, 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 whoa. Claude. You notice a few syntax errors, and then you suggest some more? Yeah, let's just remove all of these. Oh, is that gonna fix it? Oh, that ruined it. Seems to be working now. Okay, let's try that. Just gonna, you know, roll out all these. Did I save all my changes? Okay, I did. And then, what else did we do? I mean, all we updated was PHP files, right? I mean, I'd say so. So, all right. So let's go here. There should be suddenly appear. Oh, it's crashing. We're dying. Okay, hang on. Oh. Okay, here we go. Oh, here we go. Ebooks. Oh, and then when you click on it, it doesn't load. Okay. It's almost like we don't have the ebooks.php file. I have a feeling it has to do with the user nav. I think the code that we typed ourselves that okay, let's look at the server error log. Okay, this is just now. Okay, we need to fix this markup variable, but we'll get to that later. That's okay. It's not crashing the stuff or anything. All right, here's toggle like.php. What? Hang on. Let's see. Ebooks, and then we'll reference. Will this properly load if user is value 1 in paid column? It's tiny int. Also now likes are int in both tables. We need to update here. Okay, so it is showing due to them being paid, so that's working. So that's not the issue, is the user nav, right? It's doing its job. It's showing since I have paid, but whenever I click on it, it's crashing, right? Why? So is it because the nav? No, it's an ebooks at the top. It's that conditional I did at the top. It has to typecast it, I bet. Okay, here we go. Except, what does unsigned mean? Yeah. Can't be negative, right? Okay. So just save that. We just updated our PHP here. Actually, we updated a few things, didn't we? So, whoa, did I just? Oh no, I'm good. This system is just getting rather big. I thought I updated my other system there for a second. Okay, this should work suddenly. Nope, still not working. Even though it's updated. Still crashing. Can we look at the console? Okay, and then have I paid on this account? That'd be funny if it's because I haven't paid. Yeah, I have paid. I don't have an invoice, but okay. Just a little bit of console logging. Oh, I'm sorry I didn't switch over. There's the updates. Just did some more explicit definitions. Also some console logging. Just testing here. Oh. Okay, it looks awful. So obviously this page. Whoa, that looks terrible. I'm surprised it loaded though. That's good. Yeah, you guys saw that. Okay, so couple issues here, obviously. Not loading the banner for some reason. So why is that? Oh, because this page has the old banner code, so we can easily fix that. Let's go to the banner. Here it is. Okay, and then go to ebooks. Okay, where's the banner at? Here it is. Okay. So that fixes the banner. Okay. Makes a significant difference, right? But also the nav is wrong, okay? So looks like this is the wrong nav. Okay, so that needs to be fixed. What else? I see nothing else really. So let's just update that. Okay. Great. Now we can actually navigate while we're logged in. All right. All right. So now we've made it visible for paid users. And then when you're a paid user, if you're in it and you're not paid, I'm sorry, if you do manage to get to this paid page, if you typed it in and you weren't logged in and a paid user, then it would kick you out. So there's only one ebook online right now. Okay. Okay. Now what? Okay, this is a PDF. That's what it looks like, okay. And then here's this one. It takes like an hour to load. Oh, yeah, because it is a really decent file. or a decent sized file. Okay. Okay, slight issue. This is what the EPUB looks like. Issue with displaying. Also, it taking very long time to load. So when user click button to load book, can you put progress bar with nice detail in top right to indicate, please? Same issue happening with PDF. Okay, now it's saying I'm gonna need a new application. Hopefully this isn't a rabbit hole. Hopefully it's just a .exe I can drag in a folder there. Let's try this. Can I just extract it? What's this program called? PDF.js. Please just be a .exe with a license. That'd be nice. There's a license. Okay. Here's the CSS file. Bunch of C maps and stuff. Hang on. What do I need to actually install? Hang on. To get a local copy of the current code, clone it using JIT. Minimum to work and look nice. Can I use the pre-built files? Let us find out. Nice. Okay. I'm making this directory structure, so we're going into a new folder. It's called, oopsies. It's called FP, wait, I just tried FPDF, PDF.js, okay. And then in there, we're making web, and then also we're making build. All right, and then in build, we're gonna upload we're in build, so we're gonna upload PDF MJS and PDF worker MJS. Okay, and then here's web. Gonna need 3 files. Viewer.html. Hang on, where's that at? There it is. Viewer.css. Viewer.mjs. Okay. For step 4, do I need to do anything? Look. And then the other SS is build. Just copying the paths in here. Gonna just screenshot. Give it a couple screenshots. Give it a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I need to update the paths in my ebooks PHP. Okay, so let's check that out. Okay, now let's just roll out these updates. Bam. Okay, how do we do this? Where's my file manager? Bomb. Bam. Bam. Okay, give us another one. Okay. Whoop. Wrong project. Okay. Did we save our changes in cursor first? No. Oh, yes, we did. Okay, we're good. Okay. Just gonna leave here for a second. Okay. Leaderboards, ebooks. Okay, select an ebook. Read. Now it's not loading the file at all. Oh. Pride and Prejudice working. Okay, you know, this user interface is not the final form, right? Okay, so PDF's not working. EPUB working, but for some reason PDF not working. Can you tell why? We're just prompting cursor here. I want to know, PDF not loading though. Can you debug? Here is issue. Look. Okay, ebook is only 400 and something lines of code. Almost nothing. Okay, we just updated ebooks. Okay, now the like is off the modal. Okay, cannot scroll while in the modal though. There's no scroll bar. Whoa, what happened there? Whoa, I just clicked off it. Hang on, how does that navigation work? Is there an arrow there? How is this working? Huh? What is going on? Console maybe? PDF still not loading. Like is going off bottom of screen now. Needs to be in modal at bottom to fit in nice section at very bottom. Also, I cannot scroll through the entire document. Either there needs to be buttons to navigate, or I need to be able to have a black scroll bar with nice UI to go through the pages wherever I want. Maybe should have referenced the get ebook content there, but I bet you was looking at it, so I should have asked it to put it to the console, but and now it looks like that's what it's doing actually, so that's good. We will see for the whoops, scrolled up there on accident. Whoa. Can we get back? Okay, here we go. Here's ebooks again. Okay. Let's try. Okay, now I can scroll. Nice. Here's the pages. Oh, but when I click on it, it's not going to the next page. Wow. Yep. Okay. Okay. Here's what it say for PDF. It's still not loading. 404 not found. I wonder if I need to change the permissions on the like yeah. Edit. Whoa, hang on. I wouldn't think I have to actually. Let's see. All right, and then get ebook content. Try again. All right. Let's see. We're gonna pause this video till we come back. We are an hour in right now, almost to the user interface. I can't wait till we get to the user interface. It's gonna be so fun. One page at a time. We're gonna break it up and just, we're going to the moon, bro. We're going to the moon. All right, guys, we are back. We're back. Okay, it's asking to update a few things here. It's getting chilly outside. All right, and then here's ebooks again. Yeah. The more I think about this, the more I wonder, is it really getting it from the right path? Can we add the path to the console so I can debug that? I don't know why I didn't do that before. Okay. Okay. Whoa, this is going off. There it is. Okay. Now we just have to go to the database. Okay, is everything lining up? Here's the readout. Okay, and then here's the PDF. It doesn't look like it is. The path looks slightly different. Oh, it is the path. Oh. Ah. There we go. All right. Now let's try just updating that. I'm doing really bad about switching over today. Sorry, guys. Okay, still not working. Okay. Don't you see all this extra stuff though? The path is let's grab the path again. Oh, hang on, I'm wrong. Okay, it's storing when uploading the PDF, it's storing the path with all this extra stuff in front, right? But if you just go to the uploads... Okay, hang on, it's not. Wait, hang on, here we go. Let's just match everything up ourselves here. It's good. Here's the path. Uploads. Oh. Let me pull up the thing-a-ling. Okay. Okay, here. Let's match this up. Uploads, ebooks, PDF, and then 67638 CCC BC 616 underscore HO invoice 4.pdf. Okay. Let's see. Is it possible it's the permissions of the build? Let's change them. Give it ultimate permissions. Okay. Let's see if that just immediately fixes it. Let's see if the scrolling through it works. Oh, now it's working. Okay. Got some more functionality out of it, but okay, I'm not getting any useful information from the console because the path is lining up. Oh. Path looks perfect. Okay, it's not the path I thought it was going to be, but it's not. But I see some errors when loading PDF, and it's still not loading. Help. Haven't asked ChatGPT yet. Could always could always do that. Hmm. I mean, I guess if this doesn't work, we can always ask chat here. Who would have thought loading a PDF be so hard? Alright, still not working, by the way. I don't know. Whoa. Hmm? Hmm? Wait, hey, what happened here? Didn't I prompt ChatGPT, guys? Am I going crazy? Huh? Whoa. So let's try that again. Here's the ebooks. Oh, did I just not hit enter? Is that what it is? Oh my gosh. Yeah. Let's just go up. I did repeat myself here. I don't want to just overload it for no reason. Crap. Okay, and here's the static. All right, let's see. Okay, so it needs to fix the extension that's being sent to the JS executable or whatever. Let's just give this to Claude. Which file is it trying to update? It's trying to update the ebooks, I think. Okay. Let's just prompt Claude with whatever ChatGPT said. Oh, let me adjust my little... There you go. Okay, hopefully that fixes. Let's try. All right. Nope. Well, you know, I don't think I have to clear cache and cookies, right? Because it's not a discrete JavaScript file, but I guess I'll do it anyway. Okay. Okay. Okay, and then let's give it the ebooks code. All right, I'm going to pause it while it thinks, and we'll be right back with you guys. We're back. It's saying it's because of a forward slash. Okay, let's see where it has the path. Um, okay, here. Okay, let's consort. Let's just ask. I'm just confused a little bit. I wonder. Okay, yeah. The PDF URL is the path plus that. Okay, got it. Okay, that's what I wanted. Let's try that. That's for ebooks. And it's concatenating. So let's try this. Please. No. I mean, we did update JavaScript, right? And let's. This doesn't make a difference, right? Whatever. I mean, is the error log saying anything? No. Um. Dang, wasting a lot of time on this. I was just making sure the name of the path wasn't PDFs, like plural. um. Hmm. Hmm. Help, please. Analyze. Here, static. Get ebook content. Okay. And then what else? No. Okay, here. My beautiful prompt. Okay, that might be the case. Maybe it's not uploading the PDF properly. Let's try actually uploading a PDF here. What's a good PDF I have? Oh, do I have a rather lengthy PDF somewhere? Let's see. We could be just wasting our time like crazy. Oh, but it doesn't have an entry in the database, right? Hang on. Into the ebooks PDF table. Let's look at what it's called. I mean, if it wasn't uploading properly, right, we wouldn't be able to view this. But it works fine. So, that's nonsense. But let's just test this anyways. Okay. Should have access to another test PDF here. Okay, that's just simply not loading. Let's review the structure here. Is it because... Oh, yo. Is it because of the spaces? Maybe. No. Maybe this is why... Okay. I think... You know, if we store the PDFs as blobs, okay, that would simplify this. We're trying to access raw files here. Now, this is a good test, though, because... This is possibly giving me some more insight here. Alright, let's see. 100 and 150. November 14th.pdf, okay. I kind of feel like just storing it as a blob. Right? We'd have to change the structure. I kind of want to do that. Maybe one way to just work around this. I wonder why. I wonder why it's it's almost like here the issue is it's not loading because it has a problem with the referencing the correct name in the database. You know, because of the spaces and stuff. Like, check this out. What if we just rename this to test.pdf, right? And then when we're in here, we could just go to here and then change this to test.pdf. And now I bet you anything it will load in the modal. Watch. Oh. Okay, maybe not. Okay, good to know. Why is that not working now? Okay, it doesn't even have the new name. Okay, let's leave. Hang on, let's actually clear this. I wonder why it's still reading that. Okay, it still has this name here. Why? Oh. Okay, hang on. I see what it did there. Now, does that fix it? No. What if I leave? Okay, now it's loading. And the reason is because it is getting the correct path, I bet you. Okay, let's check this out. Yeah. So, because it's getting test, right? And then it's going to test.pdf, okay? So the issue is not with the pathing. It's getting the right path automatically for the PDFs, okay? Now, I wonder why this selector has a different name. How is that possible? We've changed the name of the file here. What if we change permissions here? Hang on. Let's try that. Okay. Changing permissions obviously doesn't change anything. Okay. I'm this close to starting to handle it as a blob. I'm going to have to change the way we upload them. The path is correct. Must have to do with the... Oh, I see. The reason it has this is because it's displaying by the title. Okay. Okay. I have determined the issue is with the PDF displaying application not having access to the file through the URL. Let's just look. I mean, if you just go to this URL, like, look, go to inspect, go to console, read. Okay, it doesn't have the debugging for the Mobi, does it? Or the EPUB. But yeah, if you just... The URL isn't really valid, okay? But all the paths are correct. Do we have the proper everything? What is going on? and just jump to conclusions. I mean, I have gone to this URL. Yeah, when I go to the URL, yes, that's what I'm saying. When I go to that URL, there's nothing there. It's 404. Okay, it's saying to go to terminal or cPanel or whatever. All right, let's go. Okay, terminal. Okay, hang on. If I can do that. I mean, I could do this by hand, right? Right? I mean, I can just... I mean, all the permissions are already set, so that's not the issue. Yep, not working. Okay. I mean, how much time can I waste, right? I mean, you can just easily store these as blobs. Right? And I really don't know what's causing this. Right? So, hmm. Mm. Mm. Okay. So I don't know why I'm just trying to avoid this, but let's do it. Let's actually yeah, I know why I'm trying to avoid this because I'm thinking about updating the configuration pane, which I don't want to do, right? I'm thinking about making it so that when you upload ebooks, it makes it a blob. But let's do it anyway. So we're gonna actually switch over. Let's new get ebooks. We're gonna have to upload ebooks. The pane JavaScript. Okay. And we're gonna have to reference pane. Okay. Okay, give me SQL to make the ebook data column in ebooks PDF table a blob now. We are changing PDF and only PDF to blob handling now. Please roll out all affected code across all 4 referenced files, please, perfectly. For handling submission and also for reading it from the table, it will have to read the blob. Table, all DB access will access new type. Okay. Saying medium blob, okay. And we're going to hosting Apex 4. Medium blob here. Hang on. Going in the database. Here's the SQL. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure why it's getting the PDF now, right? Okay, and then this has that weird thing where the first letter of everything got cut off. Okay. Okay. All right, let's upload. I'm kind of scared. All right, we're gonna find out. Okay. Okay, it works, by the way. Nice. Now let's see if I can upload. And let's see what happens when I do that. Okay, it actually uploaded successfully. Let's super test 2. All right, choose PDF file. Let's try something a little more complex maybe. Okay, super test, here it is, view PDF. Oh, that works. Okay, love blob handling, right? So that just opens up the PDF. Okay, now this is the user interface. We're gonna work on the user interface here in a minute. That's okay. Okay, all this is still working. Good. Okay. Now what was the issue here? Now we have implemented the changes in the admin dashboard already, right? So now all we have to do is display the blobs in the ebooks. I wonder if this is gonna work. Okay. Obviously not gonna work. So let's go over to ebooks and reference. Okay, amazing. We have made all those changes. Now roll out the required changes to view PDFs using blob handling. Now we need to cascade changes. Please remove all unused code now since we are no longer using that app PDF.js or whatever. Okay. We are almost done here. I guess we've been working on this the whole time. It's 1 hour and 46 minutes in. Are we still on the first thing in the Notion here? Dude, what is wrong with me? I would have loved to have been much farther. But here we go. Get ebook content. And here's the update to ebooks. Okay. Now, there's ebooks. And get ebook content. Okay. Here we go. Whoa. Failed to load PDF. Okay, that's because it's no longer... Yo, hang on. These are all the PDFs. So the only valid one we have is super test, right? That's the only one that has been uploaded manually. Oh, and then we also would need to clear the upload section of PDFs, right? Delete. Delete. Okay, and then when uploading, just need to make sure that that doesn't add any new ones there. Okay, here's super test. Read. Amazing. Opens it up in a new page. What happens when you view an EPUB? Opens it up in the same page. Okay. Okay, amazing. Okay, amazing. Now when clicking on read for a PDF, it needs to open in modal just like for EPUB. Also, the like section needs to be actually part of the bottom of the modal. Inside, please sectionalize at bottom. Also, can you make it just one continuous doc so I can scroll vertically through whole thing with a page indicator next to scroll bar? I wonder. Yeah, but okay, yeah. All right, so let's see. That was a lot of code. Oh, it certainly was. Wow. Okay. That's ebooks. All right. Oh, okay. There we go. Okay. Amazing. Now what about EPUB? Okay. Okay, and EPUB needs to be continuous to as well. For some reason not continuous. Is that because the format or... I need a very long free ebook PDF download, very long. Okay, let's free featured ebooks, 11 Christmas pages, 48, 27, 13. Here's a 48 page PDF. Download. Log in. Okay, how about not? Okay, here's 8 websites to download free PDF. How about... the free PDF download long test. Okay. Here's a 40 megabyte PDF. Wow. Okay. Did I download this just now? Hang on, download. Desktop, test. Okay. And then, what? Okay. Yes, the EPUB ebooks apply. Okay, gonna upload ebooks here. Let's try that. Okay. Let's upload a PDF. Amazing test. Wow. Choose PDF. Okay, here's the very long one. There's the progress bar. Okay, that's a failure. But let's just assume that we can, in fact, well, hang on. Let's hang on, let's inspect. Okay, hang on, let's just see, this is pain. Pain JavaScript, pain, remove ebooks, upload ebook. Okay, issue when uploading larger PDF size. Do we need to chunk? Here is error I saw. Alright, I'm gonna pause this while... Alright guys, we're back. Okay. And I guess we did update the JavaScript as well, so we're gonna have to upload that. Okay. What are we testing here? Oh, if it uploads large files? Whoa. Hang on. Let's try one more time here. I just reverted the changes on the JavaScript, right? So I want to know if I can open up my buttons, right? Please. Okay. Hmm? What? um, I wonder. What on earth is this behavior going to be? Server error, maybe? Possible? Data too long. Oh. Okay, here we go. Let's see, guys. Okay, now it's gonna be long blob, okay? Structure, SQL. Oh, probably almost uninstalled cursor again just then. What's the maximum size for long blobs? Dude, this JavaScript file is now massive, almost 3,000 lines of code. Holy cow. Okay. Okay, now let's watch. Okay. Here's the 40 megabytes. Whoa. Do we have this, okay, we have the CSS for the chunk upload. Oh, ebook uploaded successfully. Okay, we fixed it. Okay, I'm just trying to fix the upload progress because I don't want him sitting here thinking like, oh, it didn't upload, you know? I need it to actually be meaningful, like the upload or whatever. You know, when he deletes a file, it's okay if it's just like, you know, standard 3 seconds every time. Every time he deletes something, the progress bar is 3 seconds. That's okay. You know, you know, because whenever you delete something, of course, like it just takes like, you know, whatever, how fast. Very, very quick to delete files. So, as you have seen, with me deleting cursor occasionally, very fun. Um, all right, just running another JavaScript update here. Hopefully, this fixes it. Just begging Claude to look. Okay. Let's see. Okay, 5, 10, 14, 19, 24, 29. What is this? Okay. Okay, but the upload progress bar not exact and it refreshing every 2 seconds. That's why I said use distinct class. It seems like you're trying to use the progress bar we use other places on the pane. You're supposed to make detailed new one with great functionality for PDF upload, no matter the size, and show chunk analysis if it's chunking, right? In same pane adaptively. All right, that's a massive update. I mean, yeah, so, you know, sometimes AI will do things like this, like the prompt I just said, you know, automatically, like, oh, and it's cutting off the first letter again, and it'll just, you know, come up with all this on its own, right? You don't even have to explicitly prompt it. You're just like, do this, you know, make it so that I can upload things. You know, you'll say like, make it so I can upload PDFs, and then it'll code the whole thing, and then you'll upload a PDF, and you'll see this amazing progress bar. Like, it'll just do it all, right? So this is kind of like banging your head against it over and over again, but. And I wonder how much duplicate code I have here too. Like, ugh. You know. But it's okay. It's okay if we have code that's defined that doesn't get called, you know, as long as it's not interfering with anything, right? You know. If you know, if I have thousands of lines of it, then I'd have a problem with that. But you know, if I have, you know, 5 function, if on this 3,000 lines of code, if I have just like 3 to 5 functions that are defined that actually don't get called or something, that's okay. I'm not losing sleep over that. Okay. Now almost at 3,000. All right, let's see what happens here. Okay, it's in the middle of the screen, but at least it's using a different one, and it listened the first time. Thank you. What happens if you're navigating while you're doing these? You can upload other things? Okay. Alright, that's not that bad. Okay, when we work on the UI, we can manage that. Okay. So now it's uploading longer PDFs. Okay, so now let's go look at the PDFs. Oh, I don't see any ebooks here. Whoa. Hello. Whoa, and I can't navigate. What is going on? Is it loading all the PDFs or something? Is there something going on in the error log? No. Oh, it just loaded them all. Okay. Now, when clicking on this to load the PDF and read it, it does take like an hour to load it since it's 40 megabytes. Or have we not coded it so that it reads PDFs? Okay, it just doesn't handle. It just doesn't handle long blobs now. Hang on. Okay. Okay, so just, you know, changed it to long blob. Also just some handling with the loading here. Maybe we will just only load it right when they, you know, press read. Okay, so no reason to use all of our server resources. Whoa. Wrong file, by the way. So this is get ebook content in ebooks. Okay. All right. Close. Oh, no, I just uninstalled cursor again somehow. I didn't even press anything, you guys. Oh, no, oh my gosh, it did. Dude, that's so annoying. It does just take a second to reinstall it, I suppose. Oh my gosh, it's not even in the computer anymore? Guys, this is, like, what is this phenomenon, you know? Like, how is it that... Oh, I don't understand. I really don't. Just randomly using a software and it just uninstalls. It's where the AI is just fighting with me, doing something. It's really what it feels like, man. I think it has something to do with my hotkey. For switching between my windows. Because right now my hotkey is not working. I cannot wait to build my new computer. This stuff is not going to happen on my new computer. And cursor's going to work. I bet you anything, cursor's going to work the same every time on my new computer. And it's not going to have this strange behavior. Okay. Get rid of all this. Okay, ebooks, and then get ebooks content. There's my prompt again. There we go. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna have to end this development session soon because my keys aren't working and I can't, I can't properly switch in between my stuff here. But let's just see if we can get this working. Oh, wait, hang on. Whoa. Oh, no, I just deleted FPDF. No, and I just, oh, dude, what am I doing? Dude. What am I doing? Hey, that wasn't the worst thing I've ever done. Okay, I think I fixed it. I'm trying to delete this, though. Yes, no longer using that. And then, okay, going to ebooks. What happens? Basically crashes. Like, what is it even doing right now? Is it still loading all the PDFs? Okay, there's the EPUB. Here's a PDF. Okay, here's a loading. Loading for an hour. What's it even doing here? What is this? PDF? As format? From ebooks PDF. Oh, I see. By title, ebook ID. I'm not sure. But, let's see. Be interesting to see if this ever loaded. Okay, it did load. Okay, wow, and it does let you go through. Okay, the selector no longer works. Okay, that's fine. Don't need that. So actually the functionality is almost there, but hang on, watch. Loading. Okay, so we did, okay, hang on. Let's just navigate away from this page. Okay, hang on. Dashboard, Media Hub, Leadboards, ebooks. Should just instantly load. Okay, it did. Nice. Okay. So now we just, amazing. Now we just need to, okay, and amazing. Now we just need to, need to put the like button and show your appreciation where the navigation buttons are to go previous and next page in the modals for viewing PDF and EPUB, because no longer using those nav arrows, we are scrolling through the continuous document. Also, make sure that inside the modal, the document is centered horizontally. Okay. Amazing. So it's no longer hanging up whenever you load here. Okay. Now, this is as basic as you could possibly get. And if he had a gazillion ebooks, right, then what would that even mean? Like, what could he... like how could I, like, here we go. What if I, yeah, upload. Let's find. Here we go. Oh, hang on. Now really small ones are not uploading properly. How is the size value null, though? That's weird. Yeah, maybe it's casting the, casting it or something? I don't know. Okay, let's go back to pane. Hopefully we can address this issue real quick. Oh shoot, I forgot my my hotkeys aren't working for switching anymore. Interesting. So I think my hotkey switching has something to do with uninstalling cursor randomly, guys. We'll find out. Whoa, what is this? It's only updating this? What? But your changes didn't actually change anything. Can you analyze deeper? Hang on. I didn't see any changes, but I suppose it's possible that there was a section that I didn't see when I was scrolling through it. So hang on. Let's just try. I doubt it, though. I mean, I think I would have seen some green if there was some. I like this functionality that it's working now. Cool. All right, and then what's this about? Uploading small files. Okay, now what's these changes? Wait, it's still only changing that one line of code. Oh, no, okay, here, there's more. Whoa, those changes aren't using the finalize upload. What is going on? Yeah, that's right, Claude. Fix the code while maintaining functionality. I'm sorry, guys. I do have to cut this off because it's just I can't switch back and forth, and do need to close down my broadcasting software to just run some changes here. But here, let's try this. Okay, let's go. No file provided. What? What about uploading a big one? Okay, hang on. What about EPUB? Hang on, what's happening here? This is 1.5 megabytes. Yeah, hang on. Let's ask chat. That's the JavaScript. Here is the pane. And here are the static files. Upload. Upload PDF or upload ebook. Upload ebook. Let's see. Let's see. Here's init large upload. Here's init large upload. Here's chunk. Upload chunk. Upload chunk. Here's finalize. Upload. All right, gonna pause the video till we come back. All right, guys. All right, we're back. Wrapping this up here. Hopefully, we can get this functional and then move on. So it's saying in the JavaScript there may be an issue here, probably with the recent update. Upload with progress. Okay. Get file. Ebook file. Okay. Okay, so let's do that. Bring you guys along for the ride. Okay. Here we go. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Earth to Mars. Choosing a small PDF size. Upload. Ebook uploaded successfully. Okay. Wow. Okay. Let's do it one more time. Small test. Okay. Gonna upload this file. Upload. Okay. Now, ebooks. We already fixed this functionality, didn't we? How's this work with the viewer now? Didn't we center it? Okay, and we cleared our cache and cookies, so this should be going now. Okay, whoa, whoa, whoa. It's not centered. That's the first problem. Okay, and then this CSS isn't changed, and it still has the nav. What? Oh, is it because they didn't upload some PHP files? We could always fix that if that's the case. Whoa, hello, clicks. Let's go back to here. Drop in some PHP. Okay. Did we not? Okay, now that's centered. I wonder if it was the PHP files that needed to be updated. Oh, they were. Oh, okay, and then look, the like and this is down here. Hang on. Okay, amazing. Now it's centered, but look at the show your frustration and like. Okay. Okay, amazing. This is gonna be ebooks and then get ebook content. Okay. Amazing. Now look at bottom. See how the show your appreciation and like is not even usable? It's like off to the left. Okay. Ebooks. Okay. All right. Getting closer. We are getting closer, 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 closer. Boop, 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 boop. Upload. Upload, 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 upload. Sir M system. Bump, bump, bump. PHP ebooks. Boop, 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 boop. Here we go. Let's select a small test. That's even worse, I believe. That seems to be even worse. I don't think you understand. Okay, apply. Boom. Do I need to save? No, I do not. Upload. Ebooks, ebooks, ebooks. Please fix. Okay, small test. Read. Still looks awful. Still. Now, is this something that I can fix myself? Right? Like, let's just look at the CSS. It's not the footer, it's the like container. Oh. Why does this all look all weird? Yeah, there we go. Okay, there we go. Like container, display flex. Does it have to do with position? Could it be position relative? It's the like container. Hang on. Like container, position fixed? Maybe position relative? Hang on. If we undo the position fixed. Okay, absolute. Okay, there you go. You move the left. Okay, it's not the same width. Okay, the bottom. Okay, the bottom and the left can be removed, and then just remove the position absolute. Look how many CSS classes. Look at this. I mean, it has a million. It's made so many CSS classes called light container, guys. This is ridiculous. Okay, so. Okay, here's the one with the absolute. Probably want to have it on top, right, with the Z index. We'll just remove that one completely. Removing all of these duplicate classes. Okay. Here's another one. Okay. Bum, bum, ba. Okay, bottom does not need it. Width. All right, what's the width of the, well, if we just make the width 100%, actually, that might work. All right, let's just update this. This is ebooks. Ebooks. Okay. Small test. Okay. It's closer. The like. Show your appreciation is in the middle, and when you zoom, it stays in the right place, okay? Now, like should be just right next to it. So let's take a look at this. Where's some styling here? What's this transform? Okay, here we go. Transition, cursor, pointer, font size. Justify content center, line item center, gap, apex. Width. Look at all of these. Hang on, there's a million of these too. Like, button. Here's another one. Here's another one. I don't understand how it doesn't just realize it's just making classes over and over and over again. Okay, here's a million more. Okay, here's another one. Okay. So here it is. Like button, hover, like, and the liked. Okay, here's two liked. Okay, and here's the button, hover, liked, and that's it. Oh, I didn't do the label. Hang on. Like, button, label. I don't know how to type this. Is it like this? Or would it be like that? How I code label here? Okay. Okay, I did it correct with the, Alright, let's just use that. That's fine. Alright, we're gonna save these changes. This isn't gonna, you know, fix it, but this is gonna give us a good baseline of what is going on, and we don't have all these conflicting, so I'll be able to edit it afterwards. Okay, here we go. Here's the like. It's all the way at the bottom. All we really have to do is just put it in the middle, right? Okay, to fix this, just put it in the... Okay, to fix this issue, just put the like icon and whatever in the modal footer, right? Since it goes all the way to the right, and then align it on the right hand side and make it black normal. And then when liking it turns red, change those things and only that, please. See if we can save some time here on CSS. In my opinion, you know, as far as user interface goes, there's actually a few things AI does really well, but overall, user interface, better if you know how to do it yourself. But the AI can get a lot of suggestions done. I don't want to take away too much from how powerful it is on user interface, but there's just some things it just will always get wrong. Just doesn't understand. It doesn't have the spatial awareness, you know, to do it properly a lot of the time. So that is not what I wanted. Did you even change anything? Oh, now it's loading a big one. Well, we can just, throw in a couple picks. Let's try that. I'm kind of focusing on user interface, right? On accident. I guess bot isn't a word in CSS. Let's let's I'll take bot lane, bro. All right, here we go. Oh, I clicked on a long one. Whoops. How far in are we? Almost 2 hours, 44 minutes. Okay, here we go. It still is. What if I do margin bottom? 25 picks. Okay, let's try that. Whoops. Why does it not have the behavior I want? Margin bottom, 25 picks. Position absolute, is that why? Oh. Now look what it's doing. Hang on, now what if we took off the margin bot? Now it looks nice. Okay, so just take off margin bottom. And then, what was the position before? So, if you just put maybe position relative, this may fix. Let's see. Small test. Here we go. Whoops. Now that looks awful, right? Okay, it does need the margin, but does it have margin left still? What do you think is happening here? I mean, should I try position fixed? Small test. Okay, position fixed looks just like that. And then what happens here? All right, so hang on. What did I do here? It was position, display flex. What am I doing wrong now? Oh, now the right. It has a right value? Why? Why does it have a right value? Is it inherited? Guys, what's happening here? I mean, they're all crossed out, right? Why does it have right 65 picks? Oh, the like button label? Okay. Oh, no, here's another like button, huh? What is going on? I thought I... Oh, I see. Here it is right here. Let's see. Position absolute. Okay, let's try this. Let's see if this is acceptable, usable. Okay. Now, that looks awful, right? But if we change the position... how about if we change the position to fixed? How about margin? 3 picks, 3 picks, 3 picks, 3 picks. That's the like button. And a little bit of margin, a little bit of positioning difference. Small test, read. Still looks awful. Why did it look so much better before? Oh. If you just remove these position values, it fixes it. Okay. Okay, let's just do this. You're gonna try that. All right. Small test, read. Not fixed. What happened? Still has a position value of fixed. Where to get it from? Where's it getting that from? Should I just make its position relative? Let's try that. Okay, let's try this. Here we go, small test. Okay, relative doesn't work. And it still says its position is fixed. Oh. Okay, relative doesn't work either. What are position value options? Relative, fixed, and absolute are bad here. Sticky? No, I don't want sticky. I just want to know what the different ones are. Fixed, sticky, static. Okay, yeah. We want static. Okay, there we go. That's what we were missing. All right, ebooks. I bet you anything. You guys want to bet money? I bet you $10 it will finally work the way I want it to. You ready? Let's see. Nope. Nope. All right, guys, I have you money. Oh, but it has a position fixed for some reason. Why does it say the position is fixed on this? Oh, what is going on? Do we have another one here? Dude. How many times? Oh, and we have another liked one here. What? That got by me? Whoops. I had duplicate classes. Still, even after removing all that earlier. I guess maybe either I made a new one or... Okay, there, finally. Okay, but I mean, I do kind of... You guys kind of owe me money because the static thing would have fixed it, right? So anyways, guys, we have the PDF functionality working. Look, when you click off the modal, it closes it. You know, we actually probably want to stop that from happening because it takes so long to load the PDF. So for functionality purposes, ebooks. Okay, on ebooks, when viewing PDF or EPUB, when clicking off the modal, it should not close the book viewer. Okay, they need to click the X. Also, make the X look the same. Wait, hang on. Is this the same X for both? That's a Let's do this. Okay, it is the same X in the top right. Okay, also. Okay, ebooks. All right, so this is done, right? What happens if they try to read? Nothing. Okay, nothing works. Okay, let's upload, test. We just want to not be able to close the modal. Ebooks. Okay, so this is a small test read. Okay, shouldn't close it. Okay, good. Does this still close it though? Yes, it does. Okay, amazing. All right, so that's done, right? So now we just need to actually revalidate this page, of course, but you know, and actually we do need to you know, validate the SQL injection, of course, on this section. You know, and also limit the car mount. So, and this has 36 likes. What is going on, dude? Okay, I guess each time you press like on it, it just... That's actually not bad, though. I mean, it's okay if it is tracking for likes. Every time this person clicks the like button, it likes it. That's okay. Even if it says on his end that, you know, it does this or what or whatever. Okay, so... And then, you know, of course, the delete works. And we will perform validation, I suppose. Well, we have already, actually. For example, if we remove all of these, there should be no EPUB files and no PDF files. In fact, we should be able to just remove the PDF dir or path. Okay. And then EPUB is empty. That's exactly the behavior we wanted. Now, what happens if you go over to his page and he has no ebooks? Does it crash or anything? No, there's just nothing there. That's fine. He's going to be managing them. Don't need to make a special case for him. And so, let's see. Here's a long PDF. We're just going to upload this. Okay. And, the process of validating this should not take too long. Just have to stop SQL injection, right? That's it, because there's no input validation as far as anything else is concerned, really, besides character space limiting and things like that. Just have to do that for a couple sections here. So let's go back to our Notion here. And so we've done this. All right, so now we're going to put validation for admin pane. We're going to do that right before we start our CSS, okay? So now we need to add the mission statement, and I received an email from them. So let me log in the email. Oh, actually, all right, look, guys, I am going to pause this, or I'm going to end this recording, okay? We did finish the ebook, okay? It works okay. If he has a 70, 80, 100 ebooks, gonna have to do a different user interface, maybe part of an upgrade package. This is just to get him out the door with the system he's paying me for right now. And so, all right, guys. I am going to, and then this is just so simple. Actually, you know what? Let me finish this right now with you guys on the video, and then we are going to start our next video with validation session. Should only take a half an hour, and then we're going to actually do the user interface finally. So hang on. Okay, what is up, guys? Welcome back to this wrapping up here. What are we doing? Well, we're adding these two. Basically, they're just text, okay? These are the last features I told him, unless there's something buried down here that I haven't noticed, to make for him before I get rid of this. So, hang on, it just took my prompt and did the wrong page. Man, this prompt is enormous. Whoa. Hang on. Okay, so we just need to update our new PHP file, which I'll show you is info.php. Added it to the nav on the public facing side before you log in. Of course, can just explain to the potential customers and everybody's already signed up that they have a mission and everything else that they consider. So we do have a little bit of this going on, a little bit of CSS. Okay. Okay, it's saying to put the mission content in one and then the rest of the content in the other. So, this is the mission. And then this is all about foreign exchange. So let's include this. Okay. And then there's the foreign. So let's just upload a massive amount of PHP files, right? To make our life easy. Bum 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 bum. Do you guys know what song I'm singing? I'll give you a hint. It has to do with a battle scene between Obi-Wan Kenobi and somebody else whose name rhymes with Hispanic and White Walker. Okay, the nav disappears though. Why? I have a feeling that I'm referencing a PHP file that doesn't exist. Let's see, info. Yeah, let's see. Where's the nav? It's not even in here. So let's see. What's another contact has one? Let's bring you guys over here. Where's the nav on contact? Do you guys see it? Here it is right here. Okay. So then on info, here's the banner. You would want the nav right below the banner. So upload info. I wonder. Okay, now there's a nav bar. Okay, looks awful, right? Okay. Okay, but the content for mission and Forex Looks awful. Can you break up the sections with can you analyze the text and break it up into nice sectionalized areas, each for title and body of the areas of the breakdown of mission and forex, and give them their own dramatic CSS reminiscent of rest of website, please. Okay. Info. All right. So, and there's also a nav at the bottom here. Okay. So, all right. That's been fixed. It wants to do an update here. Okay. Okay, this should be improved. Whoa! Hang on. Content and accessibility, lifelong value. Okay, here's the forex. Okay. And I like what you did with mission, but you need to capture all the data in forex section and break down appropriately again, please. Because last time you broke it down, you left out so much amazing data and pertinent info and just overall info I can't use. You need to break down again. Okay, so let's try that again. I'm pausing. I'm coming back. Okay, guys, we're back. Just trying to use this forex section. Okay. All we did was update info. Here it is. This is the golden goose, baby. Let's go. Okay, here we go. Looks 1,000 million times better. Okay, this looks awful, but I'm working on the user interface next, right? So guess what? We just added more functionality to the website, I suppose. Gave them a nice, I wonder what the default one is here. Is it the mission statement or is it something else? So, all right, guys, this is a great place to end the session. We're going to pull up our Notion here, and that's two things down. And then one last thing, add Facebook. Uploads? Thumbnails? No. Ebooks? No. Where are the images? Images for sure, right? Upload? CRM? Images? Ah! Facebook. Here we go. Okay. And then... Okay, so... This is on contact, right? Okay. This should be easy. I always say that. Okay, now on contact, I did add a Facebook PNG to the same path. So can you put there on right and make look exact same as other social icons, please? Please. Please. Okay. Contact. Apply. Bam. Apply. Okay, so... Okay, save. Contact. Let's upload it. Take a look. Verify. CRM. Contact was updated just now. Okay, and it's centered. Love it. Okay, but Facebook is on the left. But he wants to send people to his Facebook page, right? I don't even think he has a Twitter, so that's okay. And you know what I can do? I can put in the admin dashboard. I can make a way for him to just enter in his social media links really easily and add a little table in the database that updates them. But that's more features, right? So he just needs to let me know the links. So let me pause this here. I'm going to strike up a document. Okay, guys, I'm back. Actually, it didn't really do anything just now. I just press pause and re-record because I didn't end up opening up anything I thought I was going to. So, what's up next? Validation for admin pane. Also, we need to just specially code it so that you cannot demote info at Apex Holdings online. That is where we're going to end tonight. We have these last two things that we have to do before we move on to user interface. Now, the demoting should take less than 5 minutes. The validation for the admin pane, I'm guessing, will take me maybe 20 minutes to get my brain wrapped around it, to do a full test of it, and then to get caught up in something to fix. Now, that's where it could get out of control. I could end up spending an hour or two completing validation for the admin pane, but if I haven't screwed up any of the code, it should not take more than a few minutes, okay? So my guess is in less than a half an hour, the next time I go live, I will be right into the user interface. So, and then we do have to do mobile device. So let's go through the rest of our Notion here. We have done this. Research concerning LLC and trust strategies. Got to do that. This is more to do below. Okay, so I am going to make it more AI art. I do not need to upload videos for him. He can do that himself. SQL production done. Further user interface already, that's redundant. Social media links done. Pop up for down NASDAQ done. Actually, we will strike that through and move that to the below. Keep track of all sites. Expand with button. That can be part of an upgrade package. Remove download functionality. What's that? I think this was for... I was thinking for videos and PDFs, which I did. In EPUBs. Upgrades. We're going to put this under the upgrades. Ticker API, tax API. Okay. And then we can put a section down here for the transfer document. Okay. And then we will just... how do you change the size of these things? Okay. Just a little bit of stuff to help me. More to do before handing over, but not coding. Okay. Let's just yell at myself. Okay. Nice. Look at all we got done. You know, this done section goes on for a while, doesn't it? And a lot of these, you know, each of them might have had like other implications and had a lot of requirements. So, impressed, you know, and a lot of things that I didn't make it on my to-do list, right? So, guys, you know, once again, estimate these top 2 sections. We'll see, you know, 5 minutes, you know, maybe 15 minutes here. For this, should take 4 to 5 days, maybe. It just depends on how quick it goes. I am going to, you know, go as fast as possible. But I just know that just to get the UI working perfectly for the desktop I'm on, gonna take a minute. So I'm gonna have a lot of requirements there. So, okay, guys, thank you for tuning in. We will see you in the next video.